What up everybody, it's me Cam, and I'm going to do my Bmx bike check, so here it is. Alright. First we have some hubs, but I can't remember what the hubs are. They might be Quando rims, I was checking. Yeah. No, not Quando rims, Quando hubs. I've got some spokes, but I'm actually not sure what they are. But then I've also got some KHE rims and some Prism tyres, as you can see. Some Prism tyres. And then I've got a Diamondback frame. So there's the frame. And I'll show you the stickers afterwards. Got a nice silver chain, didn't make this again. Some Prism cranks, some core pedals, which I've used them a lot, so they're a bit dirty. I've got a KHE seat. Not sure what the sprocket is, and I'm going to change the front wheel to the same as back wheel with the little dice caps, which are pretty thick. Diamondback bars. Not bars. Stem. Diamondback stem. As you can see. Some Diamondback handlebars and some ODI grips. Right, so then that's good. It's all good. Now I'll show you some of the stickers. So start off with the Boca sticker. Boca123.com. And then we'll get some Terminal 1 in there. Terminal 1. And then we've got another Boca sticker. Just like there. Boca. Yep. Then we've got another Boca. Another one. This Boca GTA 5. And we've got a Terminal 1 sticker. Again, up there. Terminal 1. So, it's my bike. Pretty sick. Let's have a look. It's my bike. Yeah, so if you like it, put a like in the down below. If you don't like it, it's fine. So, yeah, so like, subscribe, and peace out.